Hey folks, welcome back. So again, I'm going to do another observation here and a measurement of showing the Earth's curvature. This time, I'm going to be a lot more higher altitude. It's from the viewing platform of a place called St. John's Beacon, which is in downtown Liverpool. And I'm going to be looking out across the Mersey and towards kind of towards Wales, kind of way. But you'll see what I mean here. So let's get on to it and prove the Earth's curvature once again and debunk flat Earth. So this is St. John's Beacon, also known as Radio City Tower, and you can go up here. You can pay to go up and observe from the platform. You can see it from there. This is just showing that the St. John's Beacon is 453 feet in elevation from the ground. So here's a picture of where I'm going to be taking measurements from. Looking over it, you can see the River Mersey there. On the left, the tall building, that is the tall cathedral. So I ran the observations through the Walter Bisling's Advanced Earth Curve Calculator. So for my observation height, the distance, and the height of the hills off in the distance there, which I'll have a better view here in a second. And you can see what we predicted on the globe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel please, and comment down below. It really helps grow my channel. So here you are with observation here. You can see how that line is above the horizon and it's actually above the hills off in the distance, and I am holding completely level at the top of St. John's Beacon. This is a closer view here. You can see how that line is well above the horizon. The horizon isn't rising at eye level, and it's even above the hills in distance, and I'll show you the elevation of the hills. So starting at St. John's Beacon here, we measure out how far it is. So it's 27.5 miles distance. You can see here, I was going right across that building there with a green roof, and this is the elevation of the hills off in the distance. So this shows the complete distance here and for those hills from St. John's Beacon. So here's a comparison of the flat Earth and globe predictions to show you what should have been seen in either model, and all the numbers are exactly the same. So I'm going to look here. This is the globe prediction, and you can see all the numbers exactly the same. And here's showing a closer up view of the globe prediction. And as you see here, it matches the globe prediction, and you can see the observation here a little closer up, and you see it matches perfectly. So looking over here, between England and Ireland is the Isle of Man, and I'm pointing straight at it over the mouth of the Mersey, who feeds out into the Irish Sea. And looking along here, should see a big hunk of land out there, but we don't actually see it at all. So to show you the distance from where it was from, so you can see the St. John's Beacon there. Just going to show you which way, and I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to show you which way I was looking and where the Isle of Man is and the distance. And you see the distance there is 81.65 miles out over the water. So from 453 feet in elevation, I should be able to see this. I'm looking over top of everything. And even with this elevation, as you can see in the previous video, we could not see it. So running out here, here's Isle of Man. Big island out there. You think we'd be able to see that? If the Earth was flat, you would be able to see this quite easily, especially from my elevation. And obviously I zoomed in and you couldn't see anything. So I'm going to show you the high part here in the middle of the island, which is actually higher up than even where I was from, which is over about 1,700 feet up, and even the coast is about close to my elevation in St. John's Beacon. So it's showing here, so the elevation in the middle there, which I should have definitely been able to see, is 1,712 feet in elevation, and if you even go to the coast, I'm at 286 feet in elevation. So as you can clearly see, there is a decent sized island out there which we could not see. So showing the globe prediction for seeing the island out here using an Advanced Earth Curve Calculator, and you can clearly see that even with using all the numbers about observer height, the distance, and the height of the middle of the island there, we still could not see it, and this fits the globe prediction as we could see. Now, we're using the Seeing Earth curve calculator, same numbers, we're going to look at the flat Earth prediction. And then flat Earth predicts that we should be able to see that middle of the island quite easily. Now, I put into these numbers the size of the camera I was using, which is 115 millimeters, and you see that we actually should be able to see something up, but we can't. So this is comparing the flat Earth compared to the globe predictions, and as you can clearly see here, I should be able to see that massive island. That island's, it's a big island out there. I should see this big hunk of rock out there and see this big island, but we could not see it whatsoever, and that is from an observer height of 453 feet, and even those mountains and stuff, I should be able to see all that, but I couldn't see it at all, proving the globe. So once again, I'm going to zoom in here, looking straight towards where we should be able to see that. Should see a big, huge island out there, sticking way up. And we can't see that at all, which is evidence of the globe, and once again, falsifies the flat Earth. So that's it. Flat Earth has been falsified once again. So there you have it. Another observation from 453 feet in elevation. And looking out over that, you can see the land did not rise to eye level, as often that the flat earthers claim, and it is required for the flat Earth because of how, if it's infinite plane going straight out, it would actually rise to eye level. If flat earthers actually knew how perspective worked. And also you can see how those other hills and stuff got off in the distance there, which are not that much shorter from my observation, are actually still quite a bit below eye level. So with these observations and measurements, something flat earthers don't do, I've been able to falsify flat Earth and show evidence proving that the globe is the model that fits, because our Earth is an oblate spheroid. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me for more. Click like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you again.
And by the way, all those rumors on the internet are fake. I'm not flat. I'm not hollow on the inside, and there's definitely no reptilians inside of me!